What's going on, everybody? Chump Change XD here. Hope you're all staying healthy, having a great day. So today, what I need to do, sorry if it's a little tough to hear, I broke this fan blade by accident. And I've been told by a few people in the community to give this a shot. All right, you guys saw the grow tent video last week. This fan right here, I decided to accidentally hit with my finger and it snapped the blade off. I was talking about it on Saturday Night Live and a few people suggested to super glue it back on. So I am super interested to know if this is gonna work. My plan here is to basically undo these screws behind the fan and try to lift it out just so I can glue it back on and then screw it back in. I don't plan on taking off the whole housing. I don't know if that's a good decision or bad. I'm really hoping it's not a bad one. First thing first, my iFixit kit. Gonna open this up, gonna grab a Phillips head screwdriver. This is magnetic, so it'll help not drop any of the screws inside the GPU, which is nice. All right, and then the reason I'm doing this on my glass tabletop is if I get any type of glue on the table itself, I can razor it off. I don't want to have any accidents. So let's hope this works. Look at that, I can kind of wedge it so it stays up. Let me lower this so you guys can see a little better. I'm hoping this is a little better angle for you guys to see. I'm gonna be grabbing these tweezers that come with the iFixit kit. I'm just gonna take the fan blade, I'm gonna hold it here. That's basically where it needs to go. All right, so I'm literally gonna have to hold it like this and press it into place. So what I'm gonna do is, let's throw a bead of glue. Man, I really hope this works. If not, it's gonna be very disappointing because I can't find these fans anywhere. I think what I'm gonna do is put a bead on either side of it to hopefully hold it in place. I'm hoping this is exactly the way it snapped off. So that's a huge plus. It is staying. Now what I'm gonna do is put a bead on the top up here and underneath it just to make sure it doesn't break again. I mean, that's the hope. So now I guess I'll put this back together and let's bring it downstairs, hook it up and see if she works. So it spins fine. As you can see, there's a nice thin bead right there on the fan. I am hoping that this is going to hold. I'm gonna give it about 10 or 15 minutes and then we will head downstairs and plug it in. All right, so I think it's been plenty of time. It's been curing. It's honestly been about a half an hour. I wanted to just leave it just in case for a little extra longer. All right, let me get this thing thrown in and we'll turn it back on. All right, moment of truth. She's spinning and it's not ticking. I'm gonna be absolutely shocked if this thing works. Perfect. Turn on the motherboard. All right, so I just made sure the fans were set to 80 because, I don't know, putting it at 100 kind of makes me nervous, but I guess why wouldn't it work? Wow. All 13 cards are registering and the noise is pretty much gone. It's working. Oh my God, it's working just fine. That's crazy. All right, so it's been running for a little bit and it seems to be fine. So I am beyond shocked. Cedric, thank you so much for suggesting that in Saturday Night Live. You're fantastic. All right, let's talk about what I have coming up in the next coming days. This rig right here is a 12 card 1660 amped rig that is running on a B250C USB motherboard. It literally has USBs right on the top of it instead of PCIe 1X connections. So that only allows 12 cards. I can't put a splitter on it. I can't add 13 cards like the H110. So I'm gonna be swapping that motherboard out probably with this motherboard that's on here, because this, as you can see, is an ASRock H110. I know the lighting is absolutely awful down here. I apologize about that. That's what we're gonna do. I need to get a 13th card onto this rig. It is going to be another 1660 Ti or Super. I'm not really sure, but it's gonna be one of the plain Jane ones, just like over here on this rig. I have it actually running on my old studio PC that is in the other room. So I'll be taking that and putting that there. I'm gonna throw those white fans on these two rigs at the same time as doing this right here. Then, as you guys know, I need to build a wall. So that's gonna be in the next day or so. I need to separate my kids' playroom here from the actual mining room. And then we need to get this grow tent put upstairs into my attic with a rig in it so we can exhaust that into the attic system, which is pretty cool. Be heating my entire house with mining rigs. And then I have one more build that we need to do, and I'm gonna try to get to it tomorrow. Let's go check it out. All right, so you guys can see all of my 3060 version 1 white twin edges have black fans now, because the old fans are absolutely junk. These 3070s right here, one of them actually had these black fans, and I ended up swapping them back out because I wanted to have all of the 3060s 100% done, and then I'll just wait until the other 4 sets come in to get all those situated. So I ended up wiring up this LED to work with this set of fans, because these fans only have 1 plug, they don't have 2, and the original 3060 fans and 3070 fans have a dual splitter plug inside to plug in the LED bar. So I had to customize that. I'll show you guys a picture right here so you can see what I did. More or less twisted the wires together and just heat shrank it so it kind of stayed together more or less, and it wasn't too bulky like a metal crimp connector that would just never work. So what we're gonna be doing here is an all white GPU mining rig build. Well, I mean, I guess it's not all white. It's gonna be mostly white with a little black. We're gonna be using the risers from gpurisers.com. As you guys can see, if you haven't checked them out, go do it. We're also gonna be using the splitters from gpurisers.com for the cards, because each one of these 3060s have 2 8 pins on the top. I'll show you guys right here, as you can see. We're also going to be including 3 of these 3060 Ti's. These 2 are LHR, and this one is an original non-LHR version. So hopefully this works out. We're gonna be having 13 cards, 10 of the white, 3 of the black on this H110 with some risers, a white frame, white splitters. I think it's gonna look fantastic. You guys can let me know down in the comments below, what do you wanna see? Do you want this thing live, or do you want a step-by-step mining rig build guide? So I think that is going to do it for this video. I just wanted to see if this super glue actually worked, which it seems to have worked on the fan blade, which is absolutely amazing. Let me know if you guys want to see this thing live or if you want to see a video. I don't care either way. Just keep me posted, because I'm super excited to build it. This AAAWAVE sluice white mining frame, super excited about it. Can't wait to put it alongside the GPU risers, and splitters. I appreciate all of you guys for watching. Please stay safe, and I'll see you guys real soon. Peace.